I do a mix of pediatric orthopedics and sports medicine. So I do fracture care for young kids, and then I also do sports injuries for kids of all ages. Along with that, I also do concussion management too. Injuries and stuff in kids is something that's very unique, and so we don't treat them like adults, we treat them like kids, and we know how to get down on their level and make them feel comfortable with their treatment and with their care, and I think that helps both the parents and the kids. All of the sports team work together. I work particularly closely with Dr. Neppel and Dr. Halstead just because we all do sports medicine. But I think we all work together. If we have a tough case, we will bounce it off of each other and see if there's anything that the other person has to add. And I think that really adds to for the patients. I think getting that other opinions from other people is really helpful. Knowing how to talk to kids, even the little ones when they come in for a fracture, it's very scary. And so you kind of have to get down on their level. And I talk to them a lot like I would talk to my own kids. So I sort of draw on my own, things as a mother to try and help relate to them a little bit. And then as the kids get older, it's more relating to their sport. So being knowledgeable about their sport. So being able to sort of talk the language when it comes to tennis or baseball or basketball. I think they're always surprised when you can kind of you know about the sport, you know the rules, you know what goes into it. And I think that kind of helps them and puts them at ease, and they know that you know what they're talking about. I always tell the kids I have the most awesome job in the world. I get to take care of kids, and I get to take care of kids that are in sports. I'm passionate about both, about pediatrics and about sports medicine, and so I got to finally combine sort of the two things together. And I love helping athletes get back out into play. The excitement in their eyes when I say, go for it, you can go back out on the field, they love it, and I love it. I love to see that look on their face when they can finally go back out on the field or in the pool and get back to their sport that they love so much.